You want another smash cupcake? You already had one, but you can have another.
Is that yummy? That's
They're
yummy.
going everywhere.
Are you mean mugging for the camera? Can mommy have some? Please? Can mommy have some?
How about daddy? You want it for yourself, don't you? Ma.
Yeah. You're being so dainty. I know you love icing. You can really get into it if you want, love. You want me to break it apart a little?
No,
Oh, okay. Daddy says no.
she just what she wants. Oh, she want to get that hand in. Yeah, you're being much daintier this time.
You're welcome. Is that yummy? There's rainbow sprinkles. That means it's birthday time. Mmm. Oh, so delicious.
I want some.
Tell Daddy to get his own. Okay, we'll let you do your own thing. I can get my own cupcake. Bye, Alex. There you go. Snickers. That's icing. Yeah, smear it everywhere. I love cleaning up your high chair.
Can I have any? Can I have a little bit?
Can you share with Daddy?
Daddy would love some.
Don't we share? Remember? We talked about sharing.
Are we playing with it now? Yeah, we're playing. Mwah. Mwah. Happy birthday, sweetie. We probably won't let you eat another giant cupcake until your second
Now it's-
birthday.
Yeah, that one's a good one, right? Because it came from Mama. You can eat as much as you want, sweetie, okay? It's okay. It's your birthday. You have whatever you want. And there's milk after that you can drink because you're a big girl.
Drop the big piece down here. Can I get that? Yum. Yum!
Mama's over here, beauty queen. I'm watching you. You want a little kiss?
Mwah! Mwah!
Alex. Mwah. You have a white beard like Santa. applause, girl.
For her?
No, it's for both of us.
Here, you want some milk? You want some
Good
milk,
girl,
sweetie?
you got the cupcake part.
Yum.
Unless you have a straw, that's a bad idea.
She loves it. Is that good, my big girl? 1-year-old drinking from a glass?
Can you bring that over here, please?
Are you done? Hi. Hi. Clap, clap, clap.
Hi. Okay. Yep, that's on the floor. It's right where you put it. Uh-huh.
Well, guess that's the end of that, huh?
Nope, we finished it all. Great job.
All right, sweetie, you can have another one on your second birthday. What a mess. All right, happy birthday, sweetie.